Gua, 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 Guangdong baby. Got the Guang, got the Dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the Guang, got the Dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Guangdong, China.
Okay, we're in Guangzhou, so I was just here, still here, but my last video of Guangzhou, I was ending in this spot, and we're just gonna meander more because the city is so interesting, especially this area. Beautiful trees, all kinds of interesting things. Looks like there's some people hanging out there. We're gonna kind of meander around in here and just kind of see where we go and start out in this kind of residential area. But it has a mix of businesses too. There's a ton of businesses right next to us. Okay, stay tuned. Guangzhou, China. This is a hip, trendy area that everybody should probably check out and see at some point if they're going to go to Guangzhou. And I'm going to take you there myself, and there it is up on the map so you can see exactly where it is. And we're going to walk around so you can feel as if you're there yourself. So let's go check it out. A slice of Guangzhou. Okay, let's start out. This is our third Guangzhou video. Photos. But we're just gonna meander around a little bit in this neighborhood, and I'm finding it pretty interesting because there's like, look how beautiful these residential homes are. Amazing. There's another business right there too. So we could, there's an art space down that way, but I kind of want to go up this way because I was walking by this really busy commercial area, and there's just a lot of interesting stuff everywhere in here. Anyways, so here's that yellow building, looks kind of colonial. We also have all these brick ones too, right? So that pastel looks like something you might see in Macau or something. Just kind of see. I think this is, it's like Bali. Historic buildings of Guangzhou. Let's just keep on exploring. You can kind of see how many interesting things there are around here. So we're just going to meander around aimlessly. So this is historic buildings of Guangzhou. So we're just going to get a taste of it. Usually when I film, I just film slices of things anyways. Like usually generally I try to keep the camera just rolling the whole time. This is so I can capture the whole feeling of it, and I'll narrate over top of it. So this is that kind of style. And the reason I do it is you can feel it as if you were here yourself. So that's also why the lens is a little bit wider as well. So you can get a feel for the whole space in all the different directions. Lots of art places here. Art 206. I saw that other one we started at said Art 100 something. Fooey space. It's funny, I was just kind of curious where artists go, and these are amazing places. Huh. Did not expect how cool this is. All these trees too. Huh. Didn't expect this at all. Okay, so we're gonna go out into the commercial street. So nice shirts. Okay, so that's this direction. Need to see which way the lighting is better. Go across. There's another alley. We're gonna keep on going down this way. Just kind of navigate through this narrow thing. Now you can see some of these cool buildings this way too. I don't feel like filming the police, so I'm gonna try to walk across again. So let me see. So yeah, kind of a cool little neighborhood. This is Beer Bro. Let's see what this is real quick. It's like a clothing shop. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna keep on walking. It's called Beer Bro. I think I saw that when I was in Changsha. I was in Changsha just before here, so maybe you're seeing some of the videos on my channel already from that one. Kind of in a bike lane here, but see if I can get out of the bike lane. Try to get across. Okay. All kinds of stuff up there too. Okay. It's like a jewelry shop, coffee shop, Bank of China. Let's kind of figure out where we are a little bit. Okay, let's keep on walking. Vital Company clothing shop. Oh yeah, kind of cool stuff everywhere in here. Hello, cocktail Jojo. Okay. So we'll go back down. Pretty cool. So yeah, Guangzhou's. I didn't know this neighborhood was so interesting. Okay. Let's meander this way. Yeah, really cool neighborhood. I will come back and stay in this neighborhood another time when I research all of Guangzhou more, and definitely gonna stay in this area. Super cool.
Yeah.
Hello. I saw her in my other video. I walked by her, so she said hello in the other video too. Okay. Let me see if I can walk. So we are going to my other video, I kind of kinds of cool stuff everywhere. 5 meat. There's more stuff down there to explore as well. Let's go down that way. my other video of the same neighborhood, I started here, but I went down that street over there between these two buildings. So I think I'm at it somewhere, but this particular one, we're kind of crisscrossing the same spot that we started in the other Guangzhou. If you're curious to see this neighborhood more, in the thumbnails at the end of this video, you'll see the last video I just did of this one, where I'm also kind of walking around this neighborhood. Okay. I do want to capture the street name here. Kinds of cool stuff. This is really nice. You just kind of capture all the housing styles. Okay. So I like it because it's like maybe 3-4 stories, so you can have kind of balconies or rooftops. I mean, might have some balconies in some of these. Yeah, this is a really cool neighborhood. It could be nice to be in one of these apartments that are like overlooking this area. Just kind of watching all the street scenes, people moving around. I think school just got out. There's kids everywhere. Okay, so we're gonna come to an end. And I think our ending is gonna be like maybe right at this spot right here. So we'll just end it. So that's another slice of Guangzhou. Kinds of cool stuff everywhere.